we can see two amplifier circuit class D. One is copy, another one is original. So let's see. Here is an amplifier circuit. This is class D amplifier 2:1. Now I am going to check inside. This amplifier has blast ready. Someone bring me here and said me to please brother please repair it. But now I am going to check it. I am opening. First I am going to check it's copy or not. I think it's copy, 100% copy. Let's go. Let's go check it. You can see looks like original. Model are original, but it's not original, it's fake. Now I am going to show you how to find out the copy and the original. Copy one and original one. This is copy one. I am opening this circuit. This circuit also can use using 12 voltage only, not using another 24 voltage or 19 voltage or 20 voltage. If you use 20 voltage and use a small speaker, then can use this amplifier. 4 inch and 6 inch can run using this amplifier. Look, the IC. This is fake one. This is fake one. It's not the original. Now I am going to show you the original one. This is original one. Everything are same. Look, everything are same. Everything are same. Here the IC, you can see IC blast ready. Now I am going to open this scene for to check it. ZK TB21. ZK TB21. Both model are same. It's a ZK TB21. Now I am going to open. Look, this IC. This is the original one, and left one is the original, right one is the duplicate. We must copy everything. The circuit, everything is same. Looks like same. You cannot find out. Look, everything is same. Everything are same, but IC is the difference. I am going to show you which one. This is a TPA IC. Look, TPA 3116 3116 IC TPA, and this one is, look, this one is look, ST326C. This is a copy and this one is the original. You can see which one is copy, which one is original. So before buying, must check. Thank you for watching the video. If you want the circuit diagram, please take the comment link.